Hello, my name is Spike. I'm literally the best Minecraft player ever. You should really consider me for your server. I would be a PvP god. Just take a look at some of my clips, man. You gotta take a look at some of my clips. Just look.
Jimbo, look.
Yeah, so basically I'm a Minecraft pro. You should basically just add me to your server already. There's no reason you want a tyrannical dictator on your server who would control everybody because he's just so good at the video game, right? Anyways, you should just add me already, man. Come on, you know you want.